Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be sharing some of the neglected options in Helium 10 Cerebro that I see from my experience that many people are just forgetting to use. So I'm going to randomly check. Okay, we can use this one. Here's an ASIN that I think it's a jump rope. Yeah, one of the jump ropes. Anyway, so what we're gonna do first is gonna obviously get competitors, because when we add additional competitors, some of the additional options will be available to us. Let's try to find some that look relevant to what we have selected as our main ASIN. Yeah, some of these are weighted, but never mind. They should be pretty okay. I'm selecting also the similar colored ones. Okay, let's do this. Add competitors. Okay, now when we added all of these competitors, remember that you need to have your ASIN first. Then when you push get keyword buttons, you're gonna get all the keywords that all of these competitors have together. So let's do that. Yeah, already searched. Run a new search. Always run a new search because things change, search volumes change, and etc. So you want to have the latest information on this one. I'm doing this for US, so occasionally you can miss that and miss the actual country. Okay, let's go and see what do we have. Okay, 12,000, almost 13,000 keywords. All of the ASINs are sharing. Okay, so the first thing that I would like to give you guys is that there's this search volume trend, which many people really don't care about. It's usually these low numbers, low search volume, etc. So you don't care if there's a drop of 23% for the search volume of 27 searches a month. But anyway, it's worth checking to see the latest trends in search volumes for certain keywords. So you want to use this filter over here. So let's try and see the minimum search volume of 20%. So which keywords are trending? So we immediately went down all the way to 1600 keywords. Let's see now if we sort this by search volume trend, highest to lowest. Okay, so for example, yeah, some of the interesting data over here. Fitness workout equipment. So we have an increase of 3000%. So in order to see the details, you can click on this little graph icon after each search volume. So let's see how that looks. Okay, there's a spike over here. It by default, it's giving us the last year of data, and we can see that, like, yeah, last week there was a spike in search volume. So somebody could probably miss this keyword because it's such a low volume, because most of the people, when they search on Cerebro, they put a filter like minimum 300 search volumes per month, and you miss so many keywords. But you should have somebody on your team checking regularly, like twice a week or weekly, depending on the bandwidth, for the new keywords. So this is something that they should be doing in order to find new keywords. Now, obviously, out of these 1600, you can also filter it out, obviously, by the search volume and get some better insights of the trending search volumes. So there are some of these really not that interesting. So okay, let's try this one and see the increase in, yeah, also as the summer is getting close, the search volume is very high. Okay, so you get the idea. So search volume trend field, use it wisely. Another one that I like to use is this match type filter that you can, for example, see. Yeah, let's remove the search volume trend and see, for example, select only match type sponsored. What this shows you is actually you will see only sponsored keywords, so only keywords that your competitors are running ads on. Similarly, you can also do that for organic, but for the sake of explanation, let's do sponsored. And now you get the list of all the keywords that all of these competitors are ranking for. They're paying ads for it. You can, for each keyword, you can go and see where each one of them is ranked. Where's that field? Give me a second. When you hover, you should get the sponsored rank count. So when you hover your mouse over this sponsored rank count, you will see which competitor is ranked where for this certain search keyword. Yeah, so we arrange that by search volume trend. That's why some of the results are a little bit freaky. The best sorting that you can find is, for example, competitor performance score. So if this score is very high, like 10 out of 10, it means that these keywords are really relevant. So whenever you're lost in these filters, as you saw in this example, as I was, just sort it by competitor performance score, and you're gonna see top relevant keywords for all competitors. As I said, when you hover your mouse over the sponsored rank count, you will see all the competitors that are sponsored for a certain keyword. And if you see yours gonna be in bold. Obviously, we're not ranked for this top keyword, so that's why our ASIN is not bold. So use that to figure out. Also, you can stack all the other filters, so you can use the search volume and all the others that you used to use in order. But now you have only sponsored ones. You can also switch that to see only organic ones. Also, a good option to see where to find a really high relevant competitors to bid on in your sponsored products, ASIN targeting campaigns and sponsored targeting is this little three dots here, and then go to frequently bought together. So this is pulled directly from Amazon, and you can see the top 3 products that frequently are bought together with this jump rope. So these are the guys that you wanna target aggressively. Also, you can go into black box and search for additional ones. So you can then shuffle between every other ASIN that you searched for in this multi-ASIN search, and also look for additional frequently bought together items. So it's a live example of relevant products that you want to be bidding on. Then there's also, let's clear this filter. There's also 2 really interesting filters. Let's say you're in a hurry, or you really want to get things moving and you like the predefined filters. You can go ahead and click on the top keywords. So the main keywords commonly used by competitors and have a substantial search volume. When you click that, you're going to have only 44 filtered keywords. So highly relevant, highly search volume keywords that you should be using for this kind of product. Also, I mostly use this one when I want to track most important keywords in a keyword tracker by Helium 10. So really nice feature with a single click you can get your keywords to track, and also you can expand. So this filter, what it actually does is that it gives you minimum search volume of 500 searches per month, and also out of these 9 competitors, at least 6, so minimum of 6 of them need to be ranked for these keywords. So each of these keywords, they have minimum of 6 competitors ranking. So pretty relevant ones. Also, another one, maybe even more interesting than the top keywords, is the opportunity keywords. So these are the ones that are not that hard to bid on, and that many competitors skipped to bid on. Obviously, there are some pretty wide, like fitness and gym at home. Don't want to be doing that unless you want to have some brand awareness campaigns. But these actually give you an opportunity to see some low-hanging fruits, long-tail keywords that you want to target in your exact match campaigns. So really some nice insights over there. Yeah, so the last but not least I want to share with you is that if you were, for example, if you want to see out of these 9 competitors, you want to see all the keywords that you are not ranked at all. So what you want to do, that you want to go into this filter, and that's called position rank, and put 0 in the minimum and maximum. That will give you all the keywords that all the other competitors are ranking for, but this is your rank 0 to 0. Let's do that. Apply filters. Okay, let's see. A lot of keywords, fortunately. So, for example, when you scroll to the right, this is you, position rank. So this tells you the position of the first ASIN in a multi-ASIN search. So at the beginning, I told you that for this kind of research purposes, you want to have your ASIN at the beginning. If not, then you will have to remember which one and for what purpose is put on the first place. So, for example, when you scroll down, you will see that for all of these keywords, our ASIN is not ranked at all. So in both sponsored and organic. So this is something that using additional filters like the word count, I usually go with minimum of 2 because I don't want to be seeing single words like, I don't know, fitness and that sort of stuff. So I usually, most of my filters always have a word count of minimum of 2, if not more. So you go ahead and narrow down to what you feel like is best for your niche and your product, and go ahead and add all of those keywords that you find and you want to bid on. So it's a really quick way to find omitted keywords for your product. Okay, I hope that is clear. I don't want to be too technical with this, so let me know what you think in the comments, and yeah, see you next video. Bye guys.